How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I have something truly awesome to share with you, and that is how to check when an iPhone was activated. That's right, with this you can see the exact day an iPhone was turned on and set up for the first time. And you can also check the warranty status, of course, so you can see if the iPhone is still under warranty or if the warranty has expired. And on top of that, to get even cooler, this works with any iPhone model. It doesn't matter how old the iPhone is, it always works. So even if you're trying to check when like a 5 or 6 year old iPhone was first activated, you can check it. It's gonna pinpoint the exact day it was turned on and set up for the first time. And this can be extremely useful, extremely helpful if you're trying to buy used iPhone. So if you want to buy an iPhone from eBay or from a friend and they tell you that the iPhone is 6 months old or 1 year old or 1.5 year old and you're not sure, again with this you can check. You can pinpoint the exact day it was first activated. So this is truly awesome. This is gonna make you so safe. And this process is super easy. It's super fast. It only takes like 30 seconds, and it is free. You don't need to download anything. Like it's amazing. You're gonna love it. So without further ado, let's begin. So as I said, the process is super easy. All you have to do is go to Safari. And keep in mind that you can do that on your iPhone, you can do that on a computer, whatever. You can choose any device that you want, okay? And then we're gonna go to this website right here called iUnlocker.com. Of course, I'm gonna have the link in the description and on the screen. So iUnlocker.com. We're gonna be directed to this website, and then we just tap on this little menu button right here, and then go to check IMEI. Okay, so check IMEI. It's a very small button, but then it's gonna direct us to this screen, which is the one we care about. So at this point, that's where the magic happens. We're gonna check the activation day. So we're gonna check when it was exactly activated by typing in our serial number. And that's where some of you guys may be a little bit concerned. They're gonna say, okay, so I'm gonna be like giving away my serial number to a website that I don't trust, that I don't know, if it's risky, whatever, if they can steal my information. Okay, let me explain you very quickly what a serial number is. A serial number is an identifier, is a unique number that distinguishes one device from the other, because apart from that unique number, all iPhones are the same. So the only difference between like this iPhone hardware wise, of course, from all the others is the serial number. And with that serial number, all they can do with that number, if you share it with somebody else, is just check the model of your iPhone, when it was bought, so when it was activated, and the warranty status, which is exactly what we want to see. So there's no harm sharing the serial number. If a serial number was so secret and valuable, it just wouldn't be printed in the back of the iPhone box, just so you guys can understand the whole thing. Okay, so now that you know that you can share your serial number and type in, no problem at all. I'm gonna do it on my own phone, so you can trust me. All you have to do is go ahead and go to your settings, and then you're gonna go to general, and then about. Please keep in mind that I'm checking my own iPhone, of course, but if you're trying to check for somebody else, you're gonna need to give them the instructions. So settings, general, about, and then serial number. With this serial number, you can just check that information when it was activated, okay? So if you're doing this on your own device, you can just tap and hold, as I said, so tap and hold, and then copy. If you're doing from somebody else's phone, or if you want to check somebody else's phone, you're gonna need to write it down or whatever, okay? Now let's just reopen Safari and then reopen iUnlocker, of course. Tap on the field and then tap again, paste, and then we have pasted our serial number. Now check and let it do its thing. And then after a few seconds, it's gonna load. It takes a while sometimes, like 5 seconds. That's why I did that small little cut, but it doesn't take too long, okay? And then you're gonna scroll down, and as I said, that's the information that your serial number will give you. Your iPhone model. It'll also say about your warranty information, right? It's limited. It's gonna say that it is still active because my iPhone is new, right? And then what we want to see actually is the estimated purchase date. So then the 26th of June of 2020. So this is when my iPhone was activated. this was the day I turned on my iPhone for this first time, and then I set it up for the first time. And again, that's the information you're gonna give away if you share your serial number. Nothing important, nothing special. They won't be able to hack your phone or anything like that. That's what people will be able to access if you give away your serial number. So as I said, you can see your activation date, and of course you can see your warranty status, and you can see that my warranty is still valid until the 25th of June of 2021. It's very tiny, it's very small here. Hope you can see it. This website is a little bit more optimized for desktop browsing, but you can still check out all the information. So that's all you need. And you may be asking yourself now, okay, but you could only check that because your iPhone is still under warranty. So if your iPhone is super old, it just won't show exactly. Well, let me prove you wrong by actually typing in this serial number from this old iPhone 6 that we have back at home. So I'm gonna type in this old serial number right here, and we can check the exact day this was first activated, which was like 5 years ago. Let's check it out. Okay, so I have typed in my old iPhone 6 serial number, and let's see what it brings me. So check again. It's gonna do the same loading thing. It's gonna say, maybe it's gonna say CAPTCHA unresponsive. Don't worry, just do it again. So check again, and then wait. It's gonna work. Okay, it always does. It just takes a little while, as you guys can see right here, but it always works. Okay, so then let's scroll down, and as you can see, iPhone 6 has 16 gigs in gold, super old. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. Estimated right here, estimated purchase date March the 11th of 2015. So have a look at this. It tells me when my warranty was expired, so 1 year after that, so March the 10th 2016. So that's when it expired, and this is my activation date for my old iPhone 6 from 5 years ago, over 5 years ago. So as I said, this will work for any iPhone, doesn't matter how old it is. You will always be able to check when the device was activated. It will pinpoint the day it was activated. This is truly amazing, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button down below, the subscribe button below, and the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post awesome videos like this one. And also make sure to hit the comment box. Let me know your concerns, what you think about this, if it worked, if it didn't. Your feedback is always very valuable to me. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.